Welcome everyone. In this video I will be using the Sony A7S3 to test 3 picture profiles. The standard or picture profile off, basically straight out of camera footage. S-cinetone, which is a recent and popular addition, and Hlg3. While editing this footage, I noticed that Hlg looks pretty gray, so I decided to add some colors to it. How does that look? Is that better? We do have some colors here, which is nice, but this is also a low light test, so let's take it to the next level. So this whole time we've been using ISO 2000, so let's go much higher. I'm gonna try and aim for 200,000. Quite bright, right? So f16, 200,000 ISO, and as you can see, pretty sharp background. If you have any opinions, suggestions, or you noticed something that I didn't, do let me know in the comments. For additional information, check the description. Right now we're gonna go outdoors. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next test.